If you don't prepare lentils with today's trick, you're making a mistake. Check it out. Not everyone adds this simple ingredient that totally transforms and improves them. Try it. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it a lot. And also, since it uses just a few ingredients, you'll make it this way many times. For today's recipe, we need 300 grams of lentils, about a third of a package. You can add them washed just like that, but I like to soak them because they turn out softer. So if you have time, leave them soaking for a few hours. They will absorb the moisture and end up like this. You could do this the night before. On the other hand, take a leek and chop it well. The easiest way is to do it like this. You cut some strips and then chop the strips all at once. That way you make small cubes very, very quickly. I'm also going to use a chorizo, which I cut into slightly thick slices. And then the magic and surprise ingredient is bacon, 100 grams chopped, like this, in small slices. See? What I do is stack all the slices on top of each other and chop them all at once. This way I get very, very thin strips that distribute the flavor very efficiently. Pay attention to using smoked bacon if possible, even lightly smoked, as it really elevates the dish. It's amazing. What I do now is take a good pot, add a splash of nice oil, and saute the leek and garlic we just prepared, because now we almost have all the ingredients ready. What I do is set it over medium or medium-high heat and stir it from time to time until I notice it starts to brown. So just a few minutes and paying a bit of attention. Once it's golden, we add both the bacon and the chorizo, and we're going to cook it a bit. We want them to release their fat, so we stir occasionally and let everything keep cooking, creating a sofrito, a bit of magic, a little sauce. Call it whatever you want, but it's spectacular. Look at the color this wonder is getting. Don't worry, this only takes a few minutes. Once you have it, with all the sauce out, you add the lentils we had from before. We're going to stir it a bit so it mixes well, and we're also going to add water until it's covered. If you can have it hot, that's even better, because the stew will finish a bit sooner. But if you don't have it hot, cold water will do. The point is to add enough to cover it generously. Keep an eye on it, and if it runs low on water, just add more as needed. The important thing is to mix, add salt to your personal taste, and cover it. Then wait for everything to come to a boil, a gentle simmer, and leave it like that for 25 to 30 minutes. So let's wait those few minutes. Once it looks like this and starts to boil, then you stir it and let it cook for 30 minutes. If you see you're running low on water, as I mentioned, just add more and continue cooking without issues. After 25 or 30 minutes, add a couple of potatoes, just break them apart. Don't cut them. Stick the knife in and twist. That way, they'll release their juice or starch and make the sauce for the potatoes even better. This step is optional, but I recommend it because it gives it a really, really nice touch. Cook for 25 more minutes and your lentils will be ready. Look at this amazing pot we've prepared in no time, with very little effort, and the result is truly top-notch. A classic grandma recipe, but now made in the 21st century in your own home. What more could you ask for? Look at how amazing it looks. A delicious spoon dish with amazing sauce and perfect touches that always makes you want seconds. Look at how good it looks. Look at how good it looks. I'm going to take a spoonful and another and another. Delicious, what a wonder. I love spoon recipes, and I'm sure you have a favorite spoon dish too. Tell me about it down below in the comments, and we'll all get ideas together, as always. Also, here I leave you the list with ingredients and quantities so you can take note, and it'll be even easier for you to prepare it at home. If you want more, click the little box. See how great it looks, click and enjoy.